Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new episode of Cypher and Cypher.
Yeah!
Alright, so today we have Dimetrodons. What we have here is the Dino Rivals, I believe. This one has a feature. If you move the tail, it jumps. This is the classic Dimetrodon. It is super rare now. Here's the DNA scan. Whoa. There you go. I believe there was also a brown one like this, but I think they canceled it or it was so hard to find. Alright. And then we have a Hammond collection Dimetrodon. This one's definitely gone. Can't find this anymore. So this is pretty cool, but has a really little tiny eye. I don't know why Mattel did that. Make it so small. It has a nice rubbery tail right there. Plenty of articulation. See that? Right, and then we have our Walmart exclusive Dimetrodon here. Has a feature. You push this, see, it does that, and you get a DNA scan. The fun facts right here, and this two right here are the Dominion timeline. This one came with Dr. Grant. And this one was just a single pack from Dominion. Was it a danger pack back then? I believe. This one came with a human. Also came with a skull, a dinosaur skull, I believe. I don't know where it went. I saw it earlier, but I don't know. But anyways, let's see. We have the new Frenzy pack from Jurassic World Survival Dimetrodon. It is looking really different now. The sail has spikes. They gave it spikes and has some kind of fin in the head now for some reason. Alright, so here we go. There's the back. This is the new one, the Vesperosaurus. This one obviously looks like a repaint, the Monolophosaurus. Alright, so let's check this guy out. We're gonna unbox it. Okay guys, we'll check it out. Open it up. While I'm opening this, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe button, okay guys? Thank you. Let's put that aside. We'll check it out. So the sail is not that hard anymore, unlike the older ones. This one's like really hard. Cool that they added spikes. It looks exactly the same. Look at the face. However, you see that lower jaw right there? Looks different now. Well, how do you open this thing? There you go. Has a little curve now. You see that part right there? Compared to the older ones. A little different now. And it looks like a mohawk. It has a mohawk now. A yellow mohawk. Let's see the size of it. What?
Well, it's
looks like the old.
bigger.
Looks like the older one is longer. The length is actually longer. So this one has a little shorter tail now. And the tail got shorter, but however, the sail got a little taller. Look at that, it's way taller. See that? Spikes up there. Nice looking piece. Looks like a really rare Dimetrodon. So maybe we just need one of these. Though it looks like there's something on the neck as well. They forgot the color. Because the older Dimetrodons didn't have that. Look at that, there's nothing on them. Same as the Hammond collection, didn't have it. Alright, also we have a surprise again. Because when we found this, we also found the rest of the gang. We found we found the Monolophosaurus. We also found this mutant looking Plesiosaurus. Look at that. And the Vesperosaurus. Actually found two Vesperosaurus, which is pretty sweet because I need one more because he doesn't have a variant yet for repaint. Okay.
Look at the claws, right?
Oh yeah, even the tail. So yeah, there you go. Put it aside. So I don't know why Mattel didn't give any spikes on this Monolophosaurus or do something, you know, like add quills on the tail. Because they did an update on the Dimetrodon and the Plesiosaurus. They still look different now. They added some weird spikes or fins on the neck.
I think it's spiky.
Then the flippers look different as well. Looks a little bigger. Alright guys, so that's it for today. or for a frenzy pack video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you.
Goodbye, guys.
Wait,
Oh, yeah.
look at that. Right there's also different now compared to the classic Dimetrodons. So it's like a mutated Dimetrodon, but I wish they made it a little bigger though, because it's mutated. So yeah. Alright guys, you guys have a good evening now. We'll see you again in the next video.
Bye, guys.